Yo, what's up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome to a new video on my channel. In this video I'm recording Keydrop. I have $700 on my balance. So if you're looking for best bonus on Keydrop, let's use my promo code Razor Affiliate. Best promo code for best bonus. You just need to connect your Steam account with Keydrop, click deposit in top right corner. In a promo code box enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply. For 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. On left side you can find payment methods. You can pay by everything. You can pay by skins, Visa card, MasterCard, crypto, gift cards and more. Also you can click on get free in top left corner and you can click free gold. You can scroll down and you can find steps how to claim free gold. Easy steps guys. You can follow Keydrop on TikTok for 18 golds. You can join on Keydrop Discord server for 41 golds. So let's claim it guys. With golds you can open cases. I have 26k on my balance, so I'll try open best one. Let's see which best one. Emerald cut 19k, so let's see. Oh, stop a knife, stop a knife, stop knife! Okay, nice bait at start guys. I have 700 on my balance, so I'll try with... Let me check. I can start with this $16 case battle, only 5 cases, and let's see. Alright, Prince Rimmed Eagle at start, $66 minimal wear. That's nice pool, come on. Just keep with good skins. Okay, Discotheque Mach 10. Let's try Starfleet case from Galactic War event. Alright, that's so bad. And last nomination case, $16 this case battle guys. And it's good profit. $85 from 16 to 85, not bad. Okay, this case battle, 10 fax cases. 3 players guys. We need something huge here. Start is so bad. 8 more cases left. Don't draw bullshit skins, man. Please drop something better. I have $4. Okay, they are 12. And me with $4. Come on. 5 more left. Pull 1 Bloodsport AK, please. Only one. You got Legend of Anubis, $12, please. 1 Bloodsport, man. 2 more cases left, guys. It's lose, I think, but let's see, last case. Come on, come on. Yeah, that's GG. Okay. Okay, 1 case battle with YouTuber cases, only 5 cases. And let's see. Holy shit, $484. No fucking way, man. Desert Eagle, holy shit. No way, man. Oh, that's nice pool. That's nice fucking pool. Last unknown case. Let's see. Oh my god. Drop him 1 knife. Drop him 1 knife. Ah, okay. From $72 to $500. Okay. That's huge. Okay, this case battle, 2 YouTuber cases and 1 new knives case. $214 case battle. We need 1 player, but I can try with bot. This bot, okay. And let's see. Starting with YouTuber cases. Okay, first pull, bullshit skin. Second one. Yeah, same shit. Alright, new knives now. Don't drop same. Okay. It's win. It's win. $4 lead and I won this one. Okay, dream cases, 10 dream cases. $200 skates battle. And let's see. Okay, Asimo baby P, that's so bad. $87. And one knife, holy shit, man. No way, man. It will be over 2k, I think. Over 2k. Let's see, 5 more cases left. Come on, man. Pull me one knife. I need one huge pull here, like $800 or $900. 3 more cases left, please. What the fuck, man? No, wait. Factory new, factory battles card. Holy shit, pull me one knife. Okay, it's not over 1k. Okay, 5 X cases and 1 new knife case. 1 player here, and let's see. $170 this case battle. Come on, come on. Don't drop only bullshit skins, man. Pull 1 AK maybe. Heal it with 17. Okay, last case. Don't drop same knives, please. Don't drop same knives. I lose. Yeah. No way. Okay, let's try with upgrade. One 1.5x upgrade. This and for 60%. Stop it, stop it, stop it. Too fast again, man. Right. Okay, wish me luck, guys. Yeah, nice. Okay guys, if you're looking for best bonus on Keydrop, let's use my promo code. Just connect your Steam account with Keydrop, click deposit in top right corner. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor Affiliate and just click apply for 10% bonus at every deposit and free 50 cents for new users. Don't forget to like and comment this video, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, don't forget to follow me on my Kick Razor Affiliate and my Twitter Razor Affiliate for daily live streams, daily giveaways, daily content and more. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.